Hi guys, so we're testing the 14 to see if the random questions generated they are not the same and they're different for each of the difficulty levels. So here we go. So let's just log in. That's not log in. So pick a quiz and yeah. So I'll put some message boxes here, which allows us to see what are the question numbers for this easy question numbers for a particular quiz. So these are the numbers for easy ones. So first question is going to be easy. So far these easy numbers can't be used. So 5 is like the index of the, if 5 is not the question number, 5 is the index of the question number in a list. So if I get this right, here we go, let's say this is right, and this is right, alright. So 9 is the index of the question number. They're different, they're not the same. So it's good. These are hard questions. So one can't be used. So like these message blocks, they just add these indexes to the list, and these indexes won't be picked again. Therefore, the question numbers for these indexes won't be picked again. So if indexes are unique, the question numbers will be unique as well. Zero. So I just did not answer this question, so it does count as just wrong, like just as getting the question wrong. So next question is gonna be easy as well. I'm trying to get them all wrong, so we can have like a big array of numbers which are like unique, and therefore the question numbers are unique as well. Just like trying to get them wrong. They are the same. That's probably what I was saying for hard question numbers, because it's the same algorithm. We're just testing if the easy questions are. Oh, got it correct. I didn't mean to get it right. So yeah, so far they're unique as well. They are the same. No, let's get this first. So like a good, like fairly good range of numbers here, which are unique. I hope that's just an okay range to test. They're unique, and the question numbers are likely to be unique as well. Then, yep, got 3 out of 20. Yep, that works. So I'm just gonna type in as expected. So next test is average and highest score. Let's click on this. That's an easy one. So we have overall score. So that it gives out just how many quizzes they attempted. It picks the best quiz, like it gives out the overall highest. Doesn't add or anything, just the best here. And so this overall was like the just adds them, the total score, and highest score, it picks the best one. So he'll click overall highest instead of average, my bad. yeah, so overall highest is that adds the scores of all quizzes they attempted for a student, and it just gives out this numbers. And highest is ranked by highest is this, just ranks them by the best. So that works, yeah. And yeah, as expected. This is not going good, is it? Alright, so they can see the feedback. Let's see. Okay, so feedback for the student is not given. So I'm gonna go back and log out as Ollie. So there's a feedback for him, so we can view it. Oops. What's his password? Here we go. So leaderboard Ollie. Let's just click on this. They don't enter the quiz name. Please enter the quiz name. That works as well. And they click on here. This was poor from your leader. It works. Yeah. Econ feedback for this was this. Yep. So for this one, we again had to log out as someone different who has not received the feedback. So let's just who shall it be? Let's be Edward. Oops. Username is this. Holy shit. So yeah, he doesn't have a feedback. So let me just go back to the table where the feedbacks are stored. He doesn't have feedback. No, his name is not even there. So yeah,